Guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this wash and go. It is very simple, minimal steps, which is what us natural girls like. We don't want to be spending all day on our hair because it takes up enough of our time as it is. So if you guys are interested on how I got my bouncy, defined wash and go, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, my hair is damp. I just got out of the shower. I shampooed with my Diva Curl shampoo and conditioner, and then I deep conditioned with the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moisture, which is bomb.com. And if you have not tried it, you need to try it, girl, okay? But anyways, I like to do my wash and goes on really wet hair. I feel like it gives me more definition, so that's why I like to do it wet. Okay, so normally I will do a middle part for my wash and goes. Sometimes I'll switch it up and do a side part, but today I'm just gonna do a middle part. So I just part my hair down the middle. And I really don't care if it's like perfect or not, because that just doesn't matter to me. So my hair has dried up a little bit since I got out the shower, so I'm gonna take my spray bottle and just wet my hair. I need a new spray bottle. Should be good enough. So I only use 2 products for my wash and goes because I feel like if I use more than that, then my hair gets really weighed down, and I do not like that. So the first product that I use is the Garnier Fructis Buttercream from their Curl collection. I love that line. I love it. I have gone through like 10 bottles of this already. It is my favorite product for my hair, and it smells like, I can't even explain what it smells like, but it smells so good. So I take a lot, and then I rub it together, and I just go in and rake it through. And sometimes I go in and add a little more if I feel like my hair needs it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more in there. I really like the front of my hair to be nice and defined, since that's what frames my face. So I'll go in and take some of the pieces in the front and just finger coil them. And I just finger coil some pieces that are in the front, and I curl them away from my face, and I just twist it around and pull, and then a curl comes. Alrighty, and sometimes I'll take some that I feel are like dry towards the back, and I'll finger coil those too, because the back of my hair is like the most dry part. What are you doing? Alright, so that side's good, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so to me, this looks pretty good. So now, I have hair all over my fingers. So now what I like to do is go in with my Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel and just kind of like scrunch it into my hair. So I take a lot, like that much. I rub it together, and then I just scrunch up. And when my hair squishes like that, I know that it's nice and moisturized and that it's not gonna be frizzy. And after I do that, I like to take a t-shirt and just get all the excess water and product out. And it kind of makes my hair dry just a little bit faster. So I'll take it and I'll scrunch it up and hold it and then let it go. So after I dry my hair with the t-shirt, I usually just wait about 2 to 3 hours and just air dry my hair. I normally just go do my makeup, get ready for the day. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be back when my hair is dry. Alright guys, so I'm back. My makeup is done. My hair is about 93% dry. So this is what it's looking like. What I like to do is, because I put the gel in my hair, it kind of gives it like a soft hold. So what I do is I'll just go in and scrunch up my hair just like how I did putting the gel in. I go in and I scrunch, and it kind of gets rid of that cast that most gels have. So I just go in and scrunch, scrunch, scrunch until I don't feel any more hardness. So now my curls are free and flowy and they don't feel crunchy anymore. So now what I like to do is go in and kind of separate some of the curls because I like volume. So then after I separate all the curls that I feel like need to be separated, I will go in and just like shake my hair at the roots to try and get a bit more volume. And then once I do that, that's basically it. I wash my hair once a week. So normally I will wear my hair down like this for like the first 3, maybe 4 days. And then once we get into like day 5 hair, it's looking kind of crusty. So I'll either do like some low slick ponytails or like a nice high bun or something that is gonna keep my hair up but still looking, you know, kind of cute. Whenever I go to sleep, I just put my hair up into a pineapple and then I put a bonnet over that and I sleep on a satin pillow because 99% of the time my bonnet falls off. So my satin pillowcase is just like extra protection for me. But yeah, if you guys want to see a video on how I refresh my curls, I will be more than happy to do that for you guys. Just let me know down in the comments. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below any other videos you guys want me to do. Subscribe to my channel if you like me. If you don't like me, that's okay. But you know, if you do like me, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, I'll see y'all in my next video.